Now we solve number 11 to number 20. Number 11 is sin x plus cos x dy plus cos x minus sin x dx is equal to 0. That means sin x plus cos x into dy is equal to, after transferring this we get sin x minus cos x dx, or you can say that this can be written as minus cos x minus sin x dx. Now dividing by cos x plus sin x, we get cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Integrating both sides, or y is equal to minus integration divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Then we get 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. That means minus tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x dx. That means minus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. That means this is equal to, we know that integration tan x dx is equal to log sec x plus c, and this will transfer to minus log sec pi by 4 minus x plus c. But there is a factor is that this pi by 4 minus x, after differentiating we get here a minus 1. Then your answer will be y is equal to log sec pi by 4 minus x plus c. I want to say that if you take pi by 4 minus x is equal to z, then minus dx is equal to dz, then you get tan z minus dz. That means minus log z. That means minus log z means pi by 4 minus x. Log sec z, then it will become log sec pi by 4 minus x plus c. This is your, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is your required answer. You can do the sum number 11 in an alternative method. This is a very easy method. You please look into this matter. Sin x plus cos x dy minus cos x minus sin x into dx. Now dy is equal to, you can do it in just a minute, cos x plus sin x dx. Just substitute cos x plus sin x is equal to z. Then dz is equal to differentiation of sin x cos x, and cos x is equal to minus sin x dx. After integrating we get, or y suman minus integration dz cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dz by z. That means y is equal to minus log z plus c, or y is equal to minus log z means cos x plus sin x plus c, or y plus log cos x plus sin x plus is equal to c and this is your required answer. Check it carefully. The number 12 solution is, problem is dy dx is equal to dy dx minus x sin square x is equal to 1 by x log x. That means dy dx is equal to x sin square x plus 1 by x log x, or dy x sin square x dx plus dx by x log x. Integrating both sides, we get this. As you know that this can be integrated by parts, but there is a problem about sin square x dx. We cannot solve it in this way. You transform it in multiple angle. That means half 2 sin square x dx. That means half 1 minus cos 2x dx and so on. That means half x, integrating we get x minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. This is the integration of sin square x dx. Now, solving by parts, this is equal to x sin square x dx minus ddx of x integration sin square x dx and dx plus dx by x log x. In the second step, applying this, we get x into this half x minus sin 2x by 2 minus 1, this is half x minus sin 2x by 2 dx, and this substitute log x is equal to z, then dz is equal to 1 by x dx, and 1 by dx by x means dz, that means dz by z. So your required answer will be x square by 2 minus x by 4 sin 2x minus half integration x dx means x square by 2 minus a minus a plus half into half 1 by 4 integration over sin 2x, that means minus cos 2x by 2 plus log mod z plus c. Then x square by 2 minus x by 4 sin 2x minus x square by 4 minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus log of log x plus c. And this is your required answer. Problem 13, dy dx is equal to x to the power 5 tan inverse x cube. dy is equal to x to the power 5 tan inverse x cube dx. Integrating, we get y is equal to, at first you put here x cube is equal to z, then dz is equal to 3x square dx, then multiplying 1 by 3 we get x cube into 3x square tan inverse x cube dx. That means 1 by 3, 3x square dx means dz, z and tan inverse z. Now integrating by parts, you get the required result. Integrating by parts, you get the required result. 1 by 3 tan inverse z dz minus ddz of tan inverse z z dz into dz. So on 1 by 3 z square by 2 tan inverse z minus 1 by 1 plus z square into z square by 2 dz. Suman 1 by 3 z square tan inverse z by 2 minus half z square means 1 plus z square minus 1 by 1 plus z square. You break this in this way that 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled and 1 plus z square by 1 plus z square minus minus a plus 1 by 1 plus z square. Then your result will be 1 by 6 z square tan inverse z minus 1 by 6 to dz minus a plus half integration dz by 1 plus z square. That means 1 by 6, z means x cube whole square, tan inverse z means x cube minus 1 by 6 z 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 dz minus a plus 1 by 6 integration dz by 1 plus z square. Then this is equal to 1 by 6 z square means x cube square tan inverse x cube minus 1 by 6 z plus 1 by 6 tan inverse z plus c. Substituting tan inverse z, this is x to the power 6 1 by 6 z means x cube plus 1 by 6 tan inverse x cube plus c. This is your required answer. And problem number 14, sin to the power 4 dy dx is equal to cos x. This is cos x by sin to the power 4x, or dy is equal to cos x by sin to the power 4x into dx. Integrating both sides, and this is substitute method. Put sin x, let sin x is equal to z, then dz is equal to cos x dx and this is equal to dz by z to the power 4. You know a to the power n means x to the power n dx means x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then this formula will be z to the power minus 4 dz, and this is equal to z to the power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. That means 1 by 3 1 by z cube plus c, and z is equal to sin x, then 1 by 3 1 by sin cube x plus c, or you can say that minus 1 by 3 cosec cube x plus c. This is your required answer. dy dx minus cos 2x is equal to cos 3x, or cos x dy dx is equal to cos 2x plus cos 3x, equal to cos 2x means 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 3x means plus 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now dividing both sides by cos x, and cos x, we get 2 cos x minus sec x plus 4 cos square x minus 3. dy is equal to dx, and it is dx. Integrating both sides, y is equal to integration of cos x to sin x minus integration of log sec x means log sec x plus tan x plus 2 into 2 cos square x dx minus 3x plus c, or y समान 2 sin x minus log sec x plus tan x plus 2 into 1 plus cos 2x dx minus 3x plus c. Then you get 2 sin x minus log sec x plus tan x plus 2x plus 2 sin 2x, integration of cos 2x, 2 sin 2x by 2 minus 3x, and you plus 2x and minus 3x means minus x. Then your final answer will be y समान y equal to 2 sin x minus log sec x plus tan x plus sin 2x plus c. This is your required answer.